Hi, I'm Amana Azur. I'm staffing specialist with TemPositions Health Care. We're looking for great candidates like you to join our team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for patient escorts. A few responsibilities include transporting patients to and from exam rooms, laboratories, and testing facilities, obtaining patient escort assignments and schedules from the technical supervisor, escorting patients via wheelchair, stretcher, or hydraulic stretcher, and assisting in transferring patients between beds and transportation equipment. If you have a high school diploma or equivalent, 6 months of patient transport experience in a hospital, nursing home, or rehabilitation facility, a current BLS, CPR certificate, and an ability to lift patients, push wheelchairs, stretchers, bed stretchers, and gurneys, you could be a great fit for this role.
So we are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opening won't last long. Apply soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you.